One of my first gigs, somewhere in Holland, I don't remember where, was at a jazz club. And I wanted to know what kind of piano they had at the jazz club. So I called the jazz club and this lady answers the phone and she goes, "Hello." I said, "Yeah, I'm Mike and I'm playing at your jazz club. Can you give me an idea about the piano?" He said, "Yeah, sure. So she puts the phone down and you hear those steps becoming softer. And then it becomes louder again. She says, "The piano is green." And I went, oh my God, This was only the start of many experiences like this. So this is my story for today. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Twitter and Facebook, and have a great day.